Hey guys, today we are going to make a portable soil tester. I will show you how it works. The OLED display is showing the temperature, humidity and also the soil moisture. Before going to the video, make sure that you show your support by hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon nearby. First, let us make a breadboard prototype. The components required are OLED screen, DHT11 humidity sensor, 10K resistor, Arduino Nano and rain sensor. You also need a breadboard and some connecting wires. The links to buying all the components are given in the description below. Now we are going to connect each components on the breadboard. First, the Arduino Nano, the brain of the project. Then the OLED screen. This is an I2C protocol display, so that we only need 2 wires for sending and receiving data. And next is DHT11 sensor. It's a 4-pin sensor. Only 3 pins are used. This is a 10K resistor that is used to pull up between the pin 1 and 2 of the DHT11 sensor. Now we are going to connect the soil moisture sensor. It has 4 pins, we only need 3 of them. VCC, ground and A0. A0 is the analog out. Okay, now we are going to use the jumper cables to connect the components together. Please refer the circuit diagram of the breadboard given in the links in the description below. I am going to fast forward this section of the video. Now to start programming, you must connect the USB-A to USB Mini B cable to the computer. If you haven't already downloaded Arduino, go to the official Arduino website and install it using Windows installer. In the description, you will find the program and the library in a zip file. Download that and extract it. Now open Arduino and make sure you go to Tools and select your Arduino Nano. Then go to Sketch, select Include Library and add zip library so that you can add the library necessary for the program. Folder that you downloaded, go to Libraries and add each one of these libraries one by one. Now open the program that you have downloaded from the description and open it in Arduino. Now make sure that your Arduino Nano is connected to the computer. To check that, go to Tools and check whether the Arduino Nano is selected there. Now click Upload and wait for 2 or 3 minutes. And the prototyping part of the project is completed. Now let's see how it works. In the next video, I will show you how you can make this into a standalone project. In that video, I will also explain how the program logic works. Thank you for watching and see you next time.